which compound has the most CH2 groups, so this is organic chemistry, groups in one molecule. We need to count which compound has the most CH2 groups. First one is butane, so we can make here a structural formula for butane. You know, but means for carbons, so we can do CH3, CH2, you know, you remember the point of homologous series, CH2, and then CH3. So actually we have here two groups of CH2. For butanoic acid, so we have CH3, CH2, CH2, and then COOH. So here we have also the same. So it means this is not correct and this is not correct because they are the same. Butan 1-ol, so it means CH3, CH2, CH2, and then the last carbon should be CH2OH. The last carbon should attach OH. So actually it should be the correct answer because here we have 1, 2, 3. If we check the last one, but1-ene, this is completely wrong because but1-ene means we have double bond between carbon atom number 1 because this is ene, and then we have C, so this is H3, this one is H2, and here it can't be only one H2 here, guys. Okay, this is completely wrong because of the double bond. Double bond decreases the number of hydrogens, so this is not correct. So the correct answer is only C. Okay. 35 methane reacts with chlorine in the presence of ultraviolet light. Which substance is not produced? Remember, guys, all the time about the word is not. Okay, not produced in this reaction. You know, guys, in this reaction, methane is alkane. Alkane are saturated, so they can react by substitution, not addition. Substitution means that we can, in case of, for example, chlorine, so chlorine can substitute only hydrogen. So, you know, guys, methane, CH4 like CHH. So if one Cl atom substitutes one H, so it forms this. So this one can be, because he said here which substance is not. This one can be. So this is not the answer. And here also, if two chlorine atoms substitute two H's, so it can form this and this. So this one also is correct. Again, we ask about not. So this one can be, this one can be. Also, guys, H, the removed H can also make a bond with Cl to form HCl. So this one also can be done. So the only correct answer for this is A. A is not produced in this reaction. Actually, guys, here H bonded to H can't be produced in this reaction because here we have carbon, Cl, and H. So we don't have H with H actually in this reaction. This is substitution reaction. Substitution here means chlorine or halogen substitutes H attached to carbon. So you can have H with halogen or halogen with carbon, but we don't have H with H. This is completely wrong. Okay? 36, here we have ethene reacts with both hydrogen and steam. Which row about these reactions is correct? Reactant with ethene. Okay, and here's type of the reaction and then catalysts. So first of all, this is hydrogen substitute. Of course, substitution is wrong. Here, guys, take care. This is ethene. Ethene is alkene. Alkene means double bond between carbon and carbon, as you know. So because this is alkene, so alkenes react by addition. So second one here, this is correct, addition. And the catalyst used here is nickel. So this is the correct answer actually. But the first one is not correct because of the substitution and phosphoric acid. Here for steam, this is substitution, and this is addition, and this is, actually guys, here, this is not correct regarding to this stuff, so this is not correct. So the correct answer is B. 37. The type of reaction occurs when ethanol is converted to ethanoic acid. Remember, guys, ethanol is an alcohol and ethanoic acid carboxylic acid. So this reaction is called oxidation. So this is not combustion, not decomposition, not neutralization. Actually, it's oxidation. Sorry, so this is oxidation. The correct answer is oxidation. 38. Hydrolysis of polymer P produces the three compounds shown. So, you know, guys, hydrolysis, breaking down in the presence of water. So here we have the three products. Let's check the first product. Look at this terminal, guys. This is NH2. It's called amine group. And here on the right terminal, we have COOH. So, you know, this one is called carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Here also the second one, amine group, NH2, carboxylic. Amine group and carboxylic. So actually, guys, every one of them is called, look at this, amine, carboxylic. Together, remember, it's called amino acid. Every one of them actually is an amino acid. Amine and carboxylic acid, so amino acid. Okay, so let's check the options. What is the structure of polymer P? Look at the first one. Here, actually, guys, look at, we need to check the link or the linkage among them. So here we have, look at this. It's really important, guys, to pull out this. And here also, here we have the same link. So, you know, guys, the link between an amine and carboxylic acid is called amide linkage or amide link. So it's called amide, or you could say peptide. Peptide, in case of living cells, you could say peptide. So it's amide linkage or peptide. So here it's called amide. So of course, guys, amide. So this is actually, the first one is the correct answer. Because if you check the terminals, here you have NH, amino, CO, acid, and this one, amino, and then acid, amino, and acid. But if you check the second one, see, guys, amino and amine. So this one, actually, it means this monomer is diamine. And we don't have diamine, actually. If you check here, guys, up, look, we don't have any diamine. We have amino acid, three amino acids, three different amino acids. So we should have in everyone one terminal amine group, one terminal carboxylic group. But here, the first part of the compound, actually this is two amines. Two amines mean this compound should be diamine. If you check also the one in the center here, look, it contains two carboxylic groups. Here, this one also is diuic. Diuic, okay? So this is dicarboxylic acid, so this is not correct, okay? Letter C, okay, this is amine, and this is carboxylic, okay? If you check here, this is amine, this is carboxylic, it's okay. But if you check this, this is diamine. So this is not, because all of them are amino acids, this is not correct. Look at this, diamine. Letter D, this is carboxylic, amine, carboxylic, carboxylic. And here we have amine, and this is amine. So also here we have a problem, because this is diamine, and this is also diuic, dicarboxylic. Also here we have two monomers are not correct. So actually the first one is the correct answer, because every monomer is composed of one amine terminal and one carboxylic group terminal. So this is the correct answer, okay? 39, which statement about unsaturated hydrocarbons is correct? Unsaturated, you know, guys, unsaturated means we have double bond between carbons. If this is C, single C, so this is saturated, so it's wrong. So we talk about double bond. Look at the first one we have here, double bond. So is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? This statement is correct, actually. So let's see. Ethene has more hydrogen atoms per molecule than ethane. This is completely wrong, because, you know, guys, in ethene, general formula is CnH2n, but for alkane like ethane, CnH2n plus 2. So this is completely wrong, because ethane has more hydrogen per molecule than ethene. Letter C, unsaturated hydrocarbons have double bonds between carbon and hydrogen. Between carbon and hydrogen, this is not correct. It should be between carbon and carbon, as you see. Unsaturated hydrocarbons turn aqueous bromine from colorless to brown. Of course, this is wrong. It should be opposite, from brown to colorless. It means the correct answer should be A, because this is double bond between C and C, so this is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. Finally, number 40, the equation shows the formation of a polymer called Kevlar. See guys, here this is the monomer, and this is another monomer, and here minus H2O. You know guys, minus H2O, so it means we make two processes here. We add the two monomers, so we have now addition, and then we remove or eliminate water molecule, so we have elimination. So we have now addition and elimination. So actually this process called, in organic, it's called, you know guys, condensation. Condensation means addition then elimination of a part, so it's called condensation. And if you check here the link, I think now everyone knows this link now. Look at this. Here we have, this is NH, this is CO. So what is the name? What's it called? What is this link? Actually, it's called exactly amide. We said CO carbonyl plus NH amine, so it means this is called amide link or amide linkage. So we can check now which row describes Kevlar, how the polymer is formed, addition, polymerization. No, we said addition plus elimination. So addition plus elimination together should be condensation. So this is not correct. This is not correct. It should be condensation. So condensation, polymerization, one of them, either C or D. Is it polyamide or polyester? You know guys, the word polyester or polyester means we have ester link. You know, ester link means C, double O, and then O. But here we don't have COO. We have actually NH and CO. This is amide linkage, so this is actually polyamide. So the correct answer is C. Okay, guys? Hopefully it's helpful, guys. If you find something is not clear, so you can write down in the comments. Thank you so much, guys. See you.